Today's story is about Oliver. See the Oliver? Oliver who would not sleep. Oliver Dunnington sleep. Could not and did not. And would not sleep. See the Oliver. It was not that he was afraid of the dark, of monsters, of robbers, or sounds from the park, but that Oliver Dunnington Remington Snape, like staying awake, like actually he's really urgent compelled, who won't take a deep breath and sleep. So we can say that like staying awake more than going to sleep. He always plays. After his parents had said good night, they tucked him in and turned off the light. Straight away Oliver bounced out of bed. Good night. Painted and drew, did magic and read. Oliver is really gorgeous and pretty and talented. He raised his cars, then he raised them some more. And just as he blasted his rocket, he saw, see the night with rooftops and trees, and as a knoll in flight. Then the Olivers rocked, and his rocket flew fast and flew far over houses and cities, and up the stars, past the moon, and past Comet Till. See, his rocket is going on. It landed on Mars, a white place snack and smack in the middle of darks in the space. Oliver stood in amazement, and Oliver stared without even being the slightest bit scared. Have a look on the Mars. This is a planet. Suddenly, a streak of light across the sky was shining bright. Oliver saw his house far away and wanted to go back and home to play. He's watching his home on the Mars. Through outer space, or mountains and seas, through clouds over rooftops and the branches of trees, the rocket soared back to Oliver's room. See the Oliver's rocket? It's really nice. Bat and all Fox and Ted were waiting for him to climb into the bed. So, with a great big stretch and a great long yawn, Oliver Dunnington Remington Snape is going to sleep now. And finally fell fast asleep. Ha ha ha. He's lost in his dreamy world. Good night. Have a nice bed. Take care.